Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to part 2 of automating market research with Python. This one will be focused more towards sales and the marketing aspect of it. In the last one, we had a function that basically prompted a large language model with a pitch. In this one, we altered it to take in any general prompt because I didn't want to duplicate it among many functions. So I centralized it. This function gets data from a CSV. It iterates over the CSV as a dictionary, returns a list of dictionaries. This function gets a description from the large language model that it prompts LLM up here. And essentially, the prompt is what is the company, company name, company website, and what do they do? That description is right here. So let's just start at the bottom. CE Immigration Consulting Ltd. It's a professional immigration consulting firm based in Canada, specifically in Toronto, Ontario. According to their website, they specialize in providing expert advice, blah, 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 blah. It's probably like an immigration consulting firm. This is a sales pitch to create software tailored exactly towards that company. So since it's an immigration consulting firm, let's look at what they do. Licensed immigration consultants, immigration laws, regulation processors, assess their eligibility, develop personalized immigration strategies, yada yada yada. I don't know exactly what all that means, to be honest. But let's talk about the sales pitch of software towards immigration consulting firm. Based on the research, it's the kind of like the same thing they say up there. That's where Migrate Pro comes in, a comprehensive software solution designed specifically for immigration consulting firms like yours. Our software is built to streamline your operations, reduce errors, improve client satisfaction. And honestly, to negotiate a contract like that, you could basically just ask them, do you want a CRM? Essentially, like a CRM for your company that allows you to deal with a bunch of clients, and you'd have to probably like set yourself aside from Salesforce because they have a CRM. What's different between Salesforce and you? And it's of course up to you to make that case. Here, the difference it states is a case management system, compliance tracking, integration with electronic document systems, and you could build all of that software out using Python. But essentially, that's like the sales pitch that you would prompt the LLM to make. Of course, you can change the pitch so you could already have an idea of what you want and an idea of the company. And then this function basically extracts data from the website. So it retrieves the base URL of the website by getting it from the company data dictionary. These are the contact us URLs, basically adding where is it? These adding dash contact and dash contact us to the base URL to look for email addresses and phone numbers. This is a CSV of consultants from Vancouver. I scraped this. I will make a video on that later, but this already has the phone numbers of the companies and the websites and the company name. The script, however, will work with just the website. So if you do not have the phone number, it's completely fine because that's what the script does. It looks for phone numbers in websites so you can reach directly out to these companies. So yeah, it goes over that, basically iterates over contact us. This is a dictionary called data where it adds the URL contact us and contact with the phone numbers and email addresses from that by filtering the string using a regex, phone numbers and email regex, to essentially get the phone numbers and email addresses out of the HTML. And essentially, that's all it does, really. This sleeps to make sure you're not spamming the domain, so you don't get rate limited. This checks for errors, like exceptions and requests, and this returns the data after everything is said and done. This iterates over the entire CSV, basically the whole script running. extracting data from the site, getting the description, getting the sales pitch, getting the company name, website, phone from the CSV, and then the company data is extracted, and these are both generated using AI. After all that is said and done, I basically have a JSON file where I can have an outlook on a company, market research, and a pitch all at once to get ready to reach out to them. And I can even turn the sales pitch into HTML so I can do email marketing, basically with SMTP. So there's plenty of ways to do this. The reason why I used JSON and not any other format is because I want to be able to send it to and from endpoints using an API. And JSON is a good way to do that. If you like this video, please subscribe. I will be making more videos related to market research and marketing and software engineering.